All right, guys, here we go. Plates and patches break 24 hundo. 2400 plates and patches. Trainwreck 2, German 1, Yeezer 1, Brando 3, Jack 1, Bic 4, TTF Fly 3. Brighten this up. Cummings 1, Y Dusta 6, James Torres 3, Ryan Ellis 2, and Y Dudesta. Sorry, I messed your name up. With 1. All right, guys, 5 times. Ram.org. 5 times with 5 times. Randomize it up. Pace and column B next to the 32 NFL teams. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Dun dun dun. Y Dudesta on top. Y Dudesta on the bottom. There you go. There you go. Okay. Dudesta Cardinals. Brandon Falcons. Jermaine Ravens Bills. Dudesta Panthers. Bic Bears Bengals. Rec Browns. TTF Cowboys. Ryan Ellis Broncos. Bic Lions. Dudesta Packers. James Torres Texans. Fly Colts. Halls Jags. Dudesta Chiefs. Sam Oling Rams. James Torres Dolphins. Ryan Ellis Vikings. Dudesta Patriots. Brandon Saints. TT Fly Giants. Bic Jets. Brando Raiders. Dudesta Eagles. Urjack Steelers. Jermaine Chargers. James Torres Niners. Cummings Seahawks. Yeezer Bucks. Trainwreck Titans. And Y Dudesta with the Washington Redskins. There it is. There it is. There it is. Anybody wants to trade? Let me know. Let's go Chiefs. They pulled a nice Patty Mahomes out of here before. Alright guys, good luck, good luck, good luck. Let me find my knife. I'll trade Chiefs for 2 spots. Well, that Kansas City Chiefs is... Oh, that's who you have, I see. You're trying to trade the Chiefs? Trying to trade them Chiefs. Chief Keith. Let's get it. Alright guys, here we go. Good luck, good luck, good luck. Last pack. Last box from the case. Next break guys, brand new case. I'll trade Rams for Cowboys. I don't know if he's on, Sean. Alright guys, here we go. Good luck, good luck, good luck. Enjoy some plates and patches. First card, Julio Jones. Julio Jones. 6 out of 10. 6 out of 10 Julio. Alright, Julio Jones. Mike Jones cousin. Ezekiel Elliott out of 20 as well. Zeke Elliott out of 20. 12 out of 20. Zeke's always getting himself in trouble, man. Zeke's always at the wrong place at the wrong time. Julio out of 10. Zeke out of 20. Nice patches for Washington. Chris Thompson. Nice little patchy poos there. Nice little patchy poos. Want me some patchy poos this time of year. Alright. Nice David Johnson out of 10. David Johnson 9 out of 10 on card auto. David Johnson 9 out of 10. You guys will like this next card as well. Very nice. Last but not least, Mr. Tom Brady. Tom Brady in case magenta 1 of 1 for the Patriots. Tom Brady. Tom Brady, 1 of 1. 1 of 1, Tom Brady. New Patriots going to Dude Stuff. Very nice. Alright guys, let's check them out. Very nice box. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Cool. Tom Brady. Nice. David Johnson at 10. Julio at a 10. Zeke at a 20. Chris Thompson out of 55. If you guys want to do another box of plates, I got a whole case in there. Whole case in there. So let me know. I'll bust it open. Alright, Cardinals, Falcons, Dallas, Washington, and the Patriots. Very nice box, guys. Very nice. Alright, so for the Cardinals, Dutsta. Very nice auto for you. For the Falcons, Brando. Nice, man. For them boys, TT Fly. 50 Fly, 401 guy. Washington, Dutsta. Color to make you red. And Thomas Brady. Nice Thomas Brady there, man. Alright, guys. Nice box. Nice box. Nice box. Column C, 5 times. Ram.org. Whoever's on top, free spot into the autograph mini helmet giveaway. Alright. Once, twice, 3 times. 4 times. 5 times. Dun, 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 dun. And fly. There you go, man. You got yourself a free spot. Bonus break 102. It's getting filled up quick. That was 2,400 plates and patches. Next up, guys, is Gold Rush football jersey. Stay tuned for that. Oops. 5 times. 5 times there. Fly was on top. Cool, 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 cool. Sorry about that. So, Dudes the Cardinals, Brandon Falcons, Fly Dallas, Dudes the Patriots, Dudes the Washington Redskins. 5 times I randomized. And the bonus break spot went to Fly. Alright guys, any comments, questions, or concerns, let me know. Please subscribe down below. Never miss a live break. We go live every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Appreciate it. Thank you.